The information presented in this video is intended for general educational and informational purposes only.
When you visit a website, what you see from the images to the buttons is the work of front-end development. Front-end developers are like the architects and interior designers of the web. They focus on the user interface, making sure the website is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and user-friendly. A well-designed front-end is crucial for attracting and retaining users. Imagine visiting a website with cluttered text, broken links, and a confusing layout. You wouldn't stay long, would you? Front-end developers use a trio of core technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML provides the basic structure and content of a web page, like the text, headings, and images. CSS is used to style the appearance of the HTML elements, controlling aspects such as colors, fonts, and layout. JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic elements to websites, making them more engaging and responsive to user actions. Let's dive a bit deeper into the languages of front-end development. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the foundation of every web page. It uses a system of tags to define different elements of the content, like paragraphs, headings, and lists. Think of it as the skeleton of the web page, providing its basic structure. Next comes CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets. If HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the clothing, makeup, and accessories. It dictates how the HTML elements should look, their colors, fonts, sizes, and positioning on the page. CSS helps create a visually appealing and consistent style across the entire website. Finally, we have JavaScript, the language that brings websites to life. JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages. It can handle user input, create animations, validate forms, and even manipulate the content of a web page without requiring a page reload. While the front end deals with the visible aspects of a website, the back end handles the behind-the-scenes functionality. Back-end developers are like the engineers and mechanics, ensuring everything runs smoothly under the hood. They focus on the server side of things, dealing with databases, user authentication, security, and other essential functions that users don't see directly, but are crucial for the website's operation. Several technologies power the back-end, each with its strengths and areas of application. Some popular server-side languages include Python, known for its readability and versatility, Java, a robust language often used for enterprise-level applications, and PHP, a widely used language specifically designed for web development. In addition to languages, back-end developers work with databases to store and retrieve data, such as user information, product details, and website content. Front-end and back-end development are distinct disciplines, but they are also deeply intertwined. They work together harmoniously to create dynamic and interactive websites. The front-end sends requests to the back-end for data or actions, and the back-end processes these requests and sends back the necessary information. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. You, the front-end, browse the menu and place your order with the waiter, the interface. The waiter relays the order to the kitchen, the back end, where the chefs prepare your food. Once ready, the waiter brings the food back to your table. Similarly, when you interact with a website, you're essentially sending requests to the back end. In conclusion, both front-end and back-end development are essential for creating compelling and functional websites. They are distinct disciplines that work together to deliver the seamless online experiences we've come to expect. Understanding the basics of web development, including the roles of front-end and back-end, empowers us to appreciate the complexity and artistry behind the websites we interact with daily.